Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Gmail tutorial we're gonna learn how we can create and use folders in our Gmail account. Alright, so first make sure to log into your Gmail account. After that, to create a folder, we're gonna go to the left sidebar and click on this one, More. Go all the way down to this one, Create New Label. So in Gmail, they call folders for labels. Alright, so we're gonna click on this one, Create New Label. Now we got this pop-up, New Label. Please enter a new label name. Okay, so I'm gonna name this to Business, like that. We also have this nest label under. So with this we can create nested folders. So we're gonna cover that as well. So we're gonna make this one the main folder, and after that we're gonna add nested folders. But first we're gonna create this main folder. So now go to this one, the create button, click on that. So if you go up now in the left sidebar, we see this business folder. What we can do now is we can customize it, so we can change the color of this icon. Let's click on the three dots. And now we got this label color. We can choose label color. So you can choose one of these. Or you can add a custom color. Just click on add custom color. So add custom color. So preview label color. Pick colors below. So now you can choose your background color. So let's say I want to have this as blue. And now we can see a preview right here. We can also change the text color. So let's say I want to have white, like that. So when you're satisfied, we're just gonna go and click on apply. Okay, so now we can go and add an email to this label. So to do that, go to your inbox in the left sidebar. Choose the email you want to add to your folder. So I'm gonna click on this one. Now go to this menu options and click on this one, move to. And here we can choose your label. So the folder we just created, click on that. Okay. So now we can see in the left sidebar that we have one unread email in this business label. And if you go to more and go to all mail, we now see that we have got this label business next to this email. Then we know that this one is in this folder business. Okay, we can also go to the three dots next to your business label, click on that. Now we can add some settings. We got this in label list, so show, or we got show if unread, or hide. So if you choose show if unread, we will get this business right up here only if we have unread messages. If I click on this label and go to this email and read it, we now see that the business label is gone. That's because we now have no emails which is unread. All right, we always find the label at the bottom of this left sidebar. So here we can see that we have this business label. All right, so if you go back to all emails, we see that we have this business label next to this email. We can go and click on the three dots and go to in message list and choose hide. And now you can see that this label is gone. So that's one option. So I'm just gonna go to the three dots and choose show, like that. All right, so if you want to add a sub label, we're gonna go to the business label, click on the three dots, go down and click on add sub label. So now we get this pop-up, new label. Please enter a new label name. So I'm just gonna name this to bills to pay, like that. And nest label under is checked, and we have this business label as our main. If you want to change this, you can always choose the drop down and choose another label. After that, just click on create. And now we can see that we have this bills to pay. And now we can see that we have this bills to pay. And this is nested to this business label. And same thing here, we can just go and edit this label. Just click on the three dots. We can choose label color. So let's say I want to have this as red. We have it as red. And we can also do the same thing in message list, show or hide. All right. So let's go and add an email to this label bills to pay. So I'm gonna choose this one. Just check your email. Go to this one, labels. And now we got two options. You got business and business with a slash and bills to pay. So we're gonna check this one. Go down and click on apply. So now we see that we got this label, business. So this is the main label slash bills to pay. So this is the label which this email will end up in. All right. So same thing here. We can go to bills to pay, click on three dots and click on hide. And this will hide this label from this email. All right. And you can always go to the three dots and click on edit to change the label name, or if you want to add this label to another main label. All right. So let's say I want to name this to bills to pay now. Just click on save. And now you can see that we have changed this label name. And in this bills to pay now, you can always nest another label. So just go to the three dots in bills to pay now or your own label. Go down and click on add sub label and just add another label. So maybe private bills. And as you can see, we have nested label under this bills to pay now. And after that, just click on create. And now we can see that we have business with bills to pay now. And within this one, we have private bills. So you can just go on, and if you want to nest more labels within this label, so you can do quite a lot of nested labels on Gmail. All right. And to delete a label, we just go to the three dots and click on remove label. So remove label, delete the label private bills, and the emails within your labels will not be deleted. So that's a good thing to know. So just click on delete. And now we can see that this label is deleted from our bills to pay now label. And of course your emails will not be deleted. They will just end up to the standard location where they were before. So in all emails, inbox, important, and things like that. Okay everyone, so this is how you can create folders and how to use folders in Gmail. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.